Hey guys, David Patrick Green here, hackhollywood.com, hackhollywood.in. Hey, before we get started, I'm going to actually tell you the 5 biggest scams perpetrated on actors. This is going to save you years of time and thousands of dollars that you would have otherwise wasted. But before we get there, yes, I have one tiny little request, and that's please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, let's get on with the 5 biggest scams in no particular order, basically the order that they pop into my ADHD brain. But the first one is the one we are probably most familiar with, and that's headshots. Now, headshots in and of themselves aren't really a scam. They are not sold to us to deliberately take our money from us and get no benefit. But I call it a scam because it really does provide no benefit. So anything that you would buy that offers you very little to no benefit, maybe even negative benefit, I will call it a scam simply because it steers you down the wrong path. It may not be intentional, but it's a scam nonetheless. You may be scamming yourself. So the problem with headshots is that they don't do anything. It doesn't matter if you have old ones, new ones, if they are in the style du jour, you know, white background, colored background, nice clothes, shabby clothes, whatever. Your agent tells you to get new ones. It doesn't make an iota of difference in your acting career. And here's why. They are just a picture of you. Imagine if you just posted a picture of yourself to apply for any other job. Starbucks, an accounting firm, a legal firm, for a doctor's job. A picture tells you almost nothing. And yet, because people always tell you headshot, 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 you start to think that this is the only thing you have in your arsenal. But all it does is actually get you further away from the people who you need to connect with. And it's the information that they are making decisions on that they should not be making decisions on, okay? They should not be basing decisions on whether to see you or bring you in or hire you based on what you look in a tiny postage stamp photograph, okay? That's all I'm going to say on that because I want to keep this relatively short.